Hello. In this video, we will see how to use AI forms. So for example, in this video, we are taking the use case to ask for order numbers from customer. So here add AI form block, select authentication, AI model will be GPT-4. In form, you can add the elements as the questions that you want to ask. So for example, name of the user. Here I will give the title as number, field instruction. So it will be number, WhatsApp number of user, save element. Then let's add order number. Here under field instructions, I will also mention that the order number is of 7 digits. Click on save element. Now enter maximum tokens. So these are the maximum tokens that can be used in a form. It is suggested that you keep this 1300 if there are 5 questions and 1000 for 4 questions. It will be cost effective this way. And if we are adding some validation, we can double it, but not more than that. We will see that case in another use case. After this, I am adding a send message block. I'm mapping all the fields here so that I can cross check. Save this message, save the workflow and enable it. And now let's test it. I have entered the trigger keyword here. So what is your name? Number. What is a 7-digit order number? So let's enter a 6-digit number to check this. So my order number was not accepted as it was a 6-digit number. Thank you.